মই তোমাক ফোন কৰোঁতে তুমি কি কৰি আছিলা? What were you doing when I called you? What were you doing when I called you? তেতিয়া মই আহাৰ কৰি আছিলোঁ. Then I was having meal. Then I was having meal. এতিয়া তুমি আজৰিনে? Are you free now? Are you free now? এতিয়া মই আজৰি হয়. Now I am free. Now I am free. কোৱা কি ক'বলগীয়া আছে? Tell me what to say. Tell me what to say. তুমি homework কৰিলানে? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? মই এতিয়ালৈকে নাই কৰা, মানে মই এতিয়ালৈকে homework নাই কৰা. I have not done yet. I have not done yet. কাইলৈ স্কুল যাবানে নোযোৱা? Will you go to school tomorrow or not? Will you go to school tomorrow or not? ভাবিব লাগিব, মানে মই ভাবিব লাগিব. যেনেকৈ আমি কওঁ ভাবিব লাগিব মই যাম নে নাযাম. I will have to think. I will have to think. সেইকাৰণে মই ফোন কৰিছিলোঁ. That's why I called. That's why I called. ঘৰত সকলো কেনে আছে? How is everybody at home? How is everybody at home? ভগৱানৰ কৃপাত সকলো কুশলে আছে. By God's grace, all are fine. By God's grace, all are fine. By God's grace মানে হৈছে ভগৱানৰ কৃপাত, মানে ভগৱানৰ আশীৰ্বাদত. মা কি কৰি আছে? What is your mother doing? What is your mother doing? মা পাকঘৰত ব্যস্ত হৈ আছে. Mother is busy in the kitchen. Mother is busy in the kitchen. আমি প্ৰায়ে কিচেনটোক কিটচেন বুলি কওঁ, কিন্তু কিটচেনটো ৰং হয়, কিচেন কাৰেক্ট হয়. দেউতা ক'ত আছে? Where is your father? Where is your father? দেউতাই কাৰোবাৰ লগত কথা পাতি আছে. Father is talking with someone. Father is talking with someone. তুমি গা ধুলানে? Did you take a bath? Did you take a bath? মই এতিয়ালৈকে গা নাই ধোৱা. I have not bathed yet. I have not bathed yet. তোমাৰ ওচৰত কোন আছে? Who is near you? Who is near you? কোনো নাই, মানে মোৰ ওচৰত কোনো নাই. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. তুমি মোক 500 টকা ধাৰলৈ দিব পাৰিবা নেকি? Can you lend me ₹500? বা could you lend me ₹500? এতিয়া মোৰ ওচৰত পইচা নাই. I don't have any money right now. I don't have any money right now. তোমাক কিয় পইচা লাগে? Why do you need money? Why do you need money? এটা জৰুৰী কাম আছে. There is an urgent work. There is an urgent work. তুমি কালি কৰবালৈ গৈছিলা নেকি? মানে তুমি যোৱাকালি কৰবালৈ গৈছিলা নেকি? Did you go somewhere yesterday? Did you go somewhere yesterday? কালি মই মোৰ বন্ধু এজনৰ ঘৰলৈ গৈছিলোঁ. I went to a friend's house yesterday. I went to a friend's house yesterday. মোৰ এইকেইদিন পইচাৰ অসুবিধা হৈছে. I have financial problems these days. I have financial problems these days. কিবা অলপ খাই লোৱা. Have something. Have something. মোৰ একো খাবলৈ মন যোৱা নাই. I don't feel like eating anything. I don't feel like eating anything. মোৰ পেট ভৰি গ'ল। I am stuffed. I am stuffed. আনৰ সমালোচনা নকৰিবা. Don't backbite others. Don't backbite others. আনৰ নকল নকৰিবা. Don't copy others. Don't copy others. বহুত পিয়াহ লাগিছে. I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. বিছনাত নজপিয়াবা. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. বিছনাত পানী নেপেলাবা. Don't spill water on the bed. Don't spill water on the bed. কেৰাহীত তেল ঢালা. Pour the oil into the pan. Pour the oil into the pan. তেলখিনি গৰম কৰা. Heat the oil. Heat the oil. পিয়াজখিনি ভাজা. Fry the onions. Fry the onions.